The Hawthorne Experiments were a series of studies conducted at the Hawthorne Works of the Western Electric Company in Cicero, Illinois, between 1924 and 1932. These studies initially aimed to investigate how different work conditions, such as lighting levels and work hours, affected employee productivity. However, the findings led to groundbreaking insights into human behavior in the workplace, laying the foundation for the human relations movement in organizational management. The most notable aspect of the Hawthorne experiments that relates to feedback and employee engagement is derived from what is commonly referred to as the Hawthorne Effect. This effect suggests that workers' performance and productivity increased simply because they were aware they were being observed and received attention from researchers. Key findings related to feedback and employee engagement from the Hawthorne experiments include the importance of social factors and group dynamics. The studies revealed that social relations and group dynamics significantly impacted work performance. Workers were more motivated and productive when they felt part of a cohesive group where they received social support. Next, the researchers noticed the impact of attention and being observed. The increase in workers' productivity was partially attributed to the psychological stimulus of being observed and the researchers' interest in their work. This implied that employees' engagement and output improve when they feel valued and noticed. The experiments highlighted the importance of informal communication among workers and between workers and management. Informal interactions contributed to a more satisfying work environment, enhancing employee morale and productivity. The research showed that a supportive and participative leadership style could positively affect worker satisfaction and productivity. Employees responded well to supervisors who took an interest in their well-being and facilitated a collaborative work environment. The experiments underscored the significance of involving employees in decisions affecting their work. This involvement increased job satisfaction and a sense of ownership and responsibility towards work. While the original intent of the Hawthorne experiments, led by Harvard professor Elton Mayo, was to examine the effects of physical conditions on productivity, the unintended outcomes highlighted the critical role of psychological and social factors in the workplace. These findings emphasized that attention, feedback, social interactions, and work environment heavily influence employee engagement and productivity. The Hawthorne studies were pivotal in shifting organizational focus towards the needs and well-being of employees, understanding that human factors are vital in driving organizational success. The Hawthorne experiment led to the development of the human relations theory, which emphasized the performance and organizational benefits of enhancing employee engagement, belonging, well-being, and psychological safety well before many of these ideas became mainstream. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more leadership, coaching, and management content and information.